Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Yes! Thank you! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
He's fucking got dementia and he's dying. Some people thought like he shit his pants or something and he wanted to like get away from the mic or something. Because, like, why did he just, wait a second, and then he gets up so, I've never seen him get up that fast before.
Well, yeah, wait a second, there's a child up here. A 15-year-old, wait a second, hey, 15, I don't know.
He hit me. Easy, Joe.
On, like, drugs? What was that? What are these You're such a cunt bag. Holy Hurry up. These motherfuckers literally just reversed in front of me and did the slowest K-turn on the planet.
How much signal I need to cut across 8 lane? None? I turn now. Good luck, everybody else.
Navigating a cruel world filled with unrefined rhythms and harsh songs. To bring you nothing but the most buttery, smooth, soft rock. Yacht Rock Radio.
Yeah, I don't think you get to do that.
What the f are you doing? Whoa, what the f?
It amazes me. What a great country where an immigrant like Trevor Noah can really make good despite having legitimately zero talent. It's a pretty impressive feat. Well, Trevor Noah hosted the Grammys, where he was his usual smarmy, obnoxious self. And he just...
I'm back and looked. Ron, he was in LA, but I don't know who he was. I'm trying to put the. He must have been brand new.
Ha! 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 That's what you get, you dumb prick. Ah! Ha! Ah! Ha!
What happened?
Ah! Some Jeep got stuck. Ah! Ha! Ha! Where am I going? There was nowhere to go. What?
I'm surprised they're open on Sunday.
I didn't know there was a turn there. Who takes that turn and says, should we stay?
I don't even know if the dashcam got it. If it did, we need to pull the footage like now because it's gonna overwrite it.
I'm just gonna. Shall we? What the heck?
Couldn't say anything, but when he finally revealed himself, he went up and gave her a big hug.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.